Welcome back and join us on our standard balcony room tour here on the brand new NCL Aqua Deck 9 room 808. As normal, as soon as you enter you need to slot your card in the holder to power up the lights. First impressions, the room is very fresh and spacious. We love the inset of the mood lighting, and in keeping with the rest of the ship, the room has a very modern feel. Around the ship you'll see the slatted wood design, and we like how they brought this into the rooms on the doors and drawers. Below the mirror you'll find USB and C chargers, and hanging ready underneath is your hairdryer ready to use instead of taking room up in the drawers. You're not included mini fridge, but at least you can freeze your waters there as long as you brought them in the package. You'll find loads of hanging space. The doors were a little bit stiff but they are brand new. Also in this wardrobe you'll find your safe and some cage drawers. I really liked as you walked up to the wardrobes, the built-in lights would light up to you as you got close, which means you didn't need to put the room lights on. And as standard you'll find your muster drill on the back of your door. Next we have the touchscreen room control, do not disturb or make my room up, and this puts the lights on outside your room for your room attendant, along with the temperature control. Everybody likes a good bathroom and you won't be disappointed. This does seem very like Celebrity Edge and Beyond class. If you haven't already, please check out our ship tour, and this ship does ooze style and quality. As you can see, the silver edging and the wooden slats carried on into the room. There's a dispenser there, nice big mirror, lots of storage shelves and space, drawers and shelves underneath as well. And quite possibly the best shower design that we've ever had on a ship. We love how that door folds in against the wall to maximise the space getting in and out of the shower. Shame it's not a rain shower head, but then again it is just a standard balcony. Dispensers with shampoo and body wash. All in all, a really nice bathroom. Mind the steppies at exit, and no need to bring your magnets, there's already hooks on the wall provided for you. Next we have your couch, and then some modern reading lamps with built-in USB and C connections, and below two small drawers. The bed was very comfy and the pillows are very soft. And on this side of the bed you'll find a modern lamp with built-in USB and C connections. And underneath two open shelves for storage. Also there's plenty of room under the bed for your cases. A good sized TV situated at the end of your bed. We love the palmet there just before the door, so when you draw the curtains it sits inside of the wall so you don't see outside light. And finally onto what is a decent sized balcony, and dare I say the word modern again, but yes, two very modern and comfy chairs and a small table and an outside light. We are deck 9, so we're one deck up on the concourse. Thanks for watching, and do consider a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.